Hi, folks. Do you want to make money like this? And do you want to make it from day one? Well, that is not going to happen, my friend. But if you stick till the end of this video, I will teach you exactly how you can get started and start making money online. Keep watching. Welcome back to another value packed video of Money Spam. This is Avi, your host, and today we are going to learn another free method of making money online. So, without delay, let's go to my screen and let's get started. So, to make money on internet, someone has to pay us, right? Because if nobody is going to pay us, how you are going to make money? Now the question is, why will someone pay you on internet? Now, the simple answer is because you will be selling a product and you will be making commission out of that product. So, the guy who is selling the product gets a part of that sale and you get another part of that sale. Now, this type of marketing is called affiliate marketing. If you don't know what is affiliate marketing or this is the first time you are coming on my channel, then I highly recommend you to go and watch this video. And if you are new and if you want to know how to make sales without even selling a product, you can watch this video here. Not only that, today I will be uploading a video here which will be for freelancing. But in this particular video, we are going to sell a product and we are going to make money out of it. Now, when you are selling a product, there is only three kinds of product I highly advise you to choose from, unless you are already an expert in this domain. So the three products that you should go with is money making, relationship, and health. Only these three categories choose product from. So for today's example, we are going to choose the category money making. So for that, we will come to a website called DG Store. Now there are more websites like this. There is DG Store, there is JVZoo, there is Warrior Plus, there is ClickBank, there is Caesar.com, Impact.com. There are lots of marketplaces. It doesn't matter which marketplace you start with. You can always go and register and get approved to these marketplaces. The reason I tell you to start with DG24 is because DG24 is one of the easiest marketplaces to get into. So without delay, let's open my DG Store marketplace and we are at our DG24 marketplace. Now we will go to a category called internet marketing and e-business. This is where most of the time money making services are mentioned. Sometimes they are even mentioned under personality development, or you can just come here and simply search for money, as simple as that. For example, if you see this done for you services affiliate marketing system. Now these products range anywhere from $10-20 to thousands of dollars. But since we will be using free product, I highly advise you to go with a low ticket product. Low ticket means the cost is less and the commission is less. The reason I am advising you to go with a low ticket product is because when will you want to spend more money on it? When the guy pitching you knows you, right? When you already have a relationship or you are giving a lot of bonus together with that offer. More interaction you build with a person, more story you sell to that person, more that guy is ready to invest. But you don't know these people, right? They will come and they will read a small article that you will show them and they will start with it. So I highly advise you to go with a low ticket product. If you see on DG24, see this product is as low as $10 and it can go up to, let me search John Crestani's product and it will be around $1,000. Yeah, you see this? $1,000. So the range is very wide, but I highly advise you not to go with this one. This is only $10. $10 is nothing. Please don't go with this. This is very small amount. If you want to go with a small ticket, I will highly advise you to go for CPA offers instead. For this, I am going to choose a product, John Castani's product. It converts really well, But this is a high ticket product. For you guys, I will advise you to select a product somewhere between $200 to $300, or you can go for low as $100, so that, and the commission on these will be around 50%. So you will still make $50 per sale, which is insane. So for example, we will just copy this link. So this will become your hop link. Now this is the magic link which will make money for you. Now what we do, as soon as you get this link, you come to a website called incisors.com and you sort in that link. So I am on my dashboard for incisors.com, and we are going to paste this link and we are going to click sort in. So we will get a Botax link. If you want to use a different domain, there is one more option here called stacks.in. You can choose either one of them. Now the reason we sorted our link is because first thing, the link gets cloaked. Second thing, the link will be sitting here and your target can change all the time. These links are your asset. You need to protect them. Don't let these links go to waste. In future, I will start teaching you guys how to make an email list, how to make a landing page, how to go and do advanced level stuffs. At that point, what you will do is you will use exact these links, and instead of directly linking these to product offers, you will be linking these to a landing page. As simple as that. You will change the target, and instead of going to offers, these people will start going to your landing pages and you will start collecting leads. I will tell all of these stuff in future. So please stay connected, like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any money making opportunity. Now we have our sorted link. We are going to open a notepad and we are going to just paste it there. So this is the link that we need to promote. Now where will you promote this? To promote this, we will come to a website called trendy.com. Now you will ask, what is trendy.com? See, everything that I am showing you in this website is completely free. Incisors.com is completely free for 25 links up to 10,000 clicks. Completely free, and their plan starts as low as $2 per month. If you go for annual, they are giving a 50% discount even. You come to this trendy.com, this is free. So you are not spending any money. Digi24 is free to get into, and it is one of the easiest marketplace to get into. So you come to this website, you register here, and you go and create a post. Now please watch very carefully. This is where most people make mistake. The reason is they start linking their post directly to their affiliate offers, and these websites don't like it. You want the traffic, but you need to make sure you don't spam the links everywhere, because these people will detect it and your account will get banned. If your account gets banned, it is not going to help you. So you come here and click on post thread. Now it will ask which forum you want to post thread in. That means which section of the website, this forum, you are going to make your post in. Choose a forum which is related to your niche. In our case, it is money making, right? So we will click on this, make money, and we need to start typing something interesting here. Like we choose John Crestani's product, right? So let's see what he was offering on the product page, on the sales page. So let's see what opens, and this guy is giving free training, free one-day training. So what we need to write is how to, we can just take this, right? How to earn a 6-figure side income online, and we can write free training because we saw John Crestani is giving free training. And then you make a nice post about it. You write something around the lines, do you know how to start making $100 per day? Now see, we are not going to cheat these people. Don't think all that. Reason is very simple. This is a product and people want to buy it. People in these desperate times are desperate to reskill and start making online. As simple as that. We are not cheating these people. We are selling them a product, and these products will help these guys to reskill themselves and start making money online, so that they will be happy, seller will be happy, and you will be happy with your commission. So write a nice post and you can put images here. Remember, what makes a post catchy. What makes any article you see catchy? It's the images. You need to put good quality images and curious images. See, the trick of affiliate marketing is making people curious. Unless you make people curious, people are not going to click on that link. Now, don't go overboard and start saying, hey, you can be earning in billions in one day. That is not going to happen. But put something sensible and put something very attractive so that people click on it. As simple as that. So now you will ask, you don't know how to create an image. Now, what you need to do is go to Canva, select any size and start designing it. Canva is also free. I will mention all these links in the description below. So let's say we just search a random size. We search Instagram post and you see you can start making all this. Templates are free. Let me select something called money and you see now you can go to photos. For example, you can start with S dollar. You can put more, you can put it, basically you can start following this and you can write something catchy here, how to make $100 per day, and all these things are editable, man. You can make this how to make $100 per day and so on and so forth. As simple as that. These GIFs, these images are very easy to make on Canva. Not only this, if you don't even want to do this, you can come to website called Pexels or you can come to a website called Pixabay and you can just search for images, man. As simple as that. Money. Just like money. See all these pictures and these are all copyright free. You can just download it, attach to your post. Now pay attention here. When you are putting here link, you need to put it like this. Like if you want to know how to make money really, okay, then you need to put a link like this and remember, put a space here. If you put a space here, their spam filter won't be able to find that it is a link, and if they don't find that it is a link, they won't ban you. And you can, below this you can write even to make it more clear, please remove the space to get to tutorial page. As simple as that, man. Now people who have stick till end of this video, I will give you even a major bonus tip. If you are done with making posts on Trendery.com, you can come to Google and you can just search for make money online forum and just look at this. How many forums are there? And all these forums are completely free. You can go and do same thing on different forum. Do it on 1, 2, 3, 4. Make 20 posts per day, man. Make 20 posts per day. That will take you less than half an hour or maybe half an hour. You spend half an hour and you do it for 1 month. 20 posts into 30. That is 600 posts you will make in 1 month. Do you think you won't make a single sale out of 600 posts? This money is literally sitting there. And all you need to do is be consistent and be persistent. And you will make a sale. I guarantee you. But if you want to get rich in single day, that is not going to happen at all. That's it for today's video, folks. I will see you in my next video.